Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some handmade cards that I've made. I shared a post maybe about a week and a half to 2 weeks ago, a little sneak peek of the cards that I've made, and I intended to make some more before I made this video, but I only made like 2 more. So I still wanted to do this video and show you guys what I've made because card making is something new to me. I just been enjoying doing it lately. Like sometimes if you don't want to craft up this huge project, I think making a handmade card kind of gets that little crafting itch out of you. So if I don't start this humongous project, I just go straight to making a card right away, and at least I craft it for a little bit, you know. So let's get in with the cards. I'm gonna see if the glare, I don't know if you guys can see with the, no, because I don't want to really take them out of the plastic, so I think you can see fine. So here's one that I made. Well, I made them all, but the paper is from Maggie Holmes Flourish, and it says, "These people are my favorite." And the what do you call this? Oh my god, I lost my train of thought. The ephemera piece is also from Flourish. Sheesh, Lily. And that's what it looks like. I don't know if I bring it up. Okay, maybe you guys can see it better. But then it has like a little gold trim around it. And then it does have the envelope in the back. I also made this one. This one's also using a lot of pieces of the Maggie Holmes Flourish and the Maggie Holmes Open Book Flowers. And it just says, "You make me smile." This is one of my favorites. This is using the Echo Park Imagine That Girl collection. It says "Beautiful Dreamer." Definitely one of my favorites. And I propped up a lot of the embellishments because I like the way that looks on the cards. Here's one for Easter. It says "Happy Easter" with the cute little chickie. This one's another fave. And there's this one with the cute little mermaid and the rainbow. And it says "Believe." Also with the Echo Park Imagine That collection. And we have this one. Excuse me. It says "Somebody Loves You." The cute little bunny. With the bow and the doily. The little pom-pom. And then there's this one. And this was sent to me in a package. And I automatically thought right away that I wanted it on a card. I think it looks so pretty. And the paper back here, I think it's from Adrienne Lumen, her latest collection. Like a springy collection. It's the floral paper on the back. Then we have this one, which I use the Fancy Pants collection. I love this one too. It's one of my favorites. It's like a birthday collection. I can't think of the name right now, but I have it on my Instagram. And we have this one, which is pretty simple, but it's still super cute. It says "Seek Beauty," a little chickie on the top. A very spring forward card. And we have this one with a little bike. And it says "Hello." You guys, these are so fun to make. Then there's this one, and this one is using the Bella Boulevard collection, "The Secrets of the Sea Girl." It's a thank you card. And we have this one, and it says "Pandemonium Party, Have Fun," and a little panda holding some balloons. And then the last one is this one, and it just says "Happy," and it's also using the Fancy Pants collection that I used on the other birthday card on this one. And this one is fun as well. And they're like super layered, you guys. Like you can't see it through here, but they're super layered. And I think these two, I made envelopes for them. There you go. I didn't do that for all of them, but I did it for these two. Super fun, you guys. So if you guys don't make cards, you definitely should. It's so therapeutic and fun. I enjoy my card making sessions so much. And yeah, you guys, it's just a quick video sharing you guys my handmade cards. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.